Still signing invoices manually in Tally? With KAiZEN eSign, you can digitally sign invoices directly from Tally Prime. Fast, secure, and paperless. Let's set it up in minutes. Click on the KAiZEN plugin setup file to begin installation. Click Next and follow the on-screen guided instructions. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. KAiZEN Tally installer is now successfully installed. Now open Tally Prime on your system. Press F1 to open TDLs and add-ons. Click on Manage Local TDLs. This will open the configuration settings. Next, open add-on features and enable KAiZEN integration. Now press G on your keyboard. You will see KAiZEN integration under Utilities. KAiZEN is now successfully connected within Tally Prime. Click on KAiZEN Integration Authorization. Enter the API token provided by the KAiZEN team. Go to Default Configuration. Enter your requester details, email ID, contact number. Open User Management. Assign and allow the necessary permissions to users. Setup complete. You are now ready to e-sign invoices directly from Tally Prime using KAiZEN eSign.